Hello students, today we are going to study the first type of nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism, and that is SN2 reaction mechanism. First, consider the reaction between methyl bromide and aqueous NaOH that gives a product methanol. We should write this reaction as there are two reactants. One is methyl bromide, that is CH3Br. This is methyl bromide, and this methyl bromide reacts with aqueous NaOH. This is aqueous NaOH, and when just warm both a reaction mixture, and then it gives a product methanol, that is CH3OH, and it forms KBr as a byproduct. This is methanol. This is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, here this nucleophile OH minus substitute this Br minus bromide. For the study of kinetics of this reaction, means rate of this reaction, consider or we write the ionic form of this reaction. Means we write this nucleophile in ionic form, that is in OH minus ion. Then we should write the ionic form of this reaction like methyl bromide treated with OH minus. This OH minus replace this bromide from methyl bromide and form a product methanol, and Br minus. This OH minus is a nucleophile. Now, according to this ionic form of the reaction, we conclude that this is second order kinetics reaction. It means that the rate of this reaction depends on concentration of both, that is substrate as well as nucleophile. Here methyl bromide is a substrate and OH minus is nucleophile, and the rate of this reaction is depend on concentration of both CH3Br means methyl bromide substrate and OH minus ion nucleophile. Hence this reaction called as substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction, that is SN2 reactions, because in the rate of reaction or the rate of this reaction depend on concentration of both reacting species, that is substrate and nucleophile. Hence we should write the rate equation for this reaction like as rate is directly proportional to concentration of substrate into concentration of nucleophile. We know In this reaction, methyl bromide is a substrate. And OH minus is a nucleophile. Finally, we should write rate is equal to K into concentration of substrate, that is methyl bromide, and concentration of OH minus. As we consider this rate equation that indicate the rate of this chemical reaction is influenced by concentration of both these reacting species. These reacting species take part in slowest step of mechanism. In the above reaction, only two reactants are present, and both reactants which are present in slow step, both reactants present in slow step, and both reactants influence the rate of reaction in this slow step. Hence this slow step is also called as RDS, that is rate determining step. Rate determining step. So we can conclude that this reaction is a single step reaction, and this single step reaction is a slow step, and it further implies that there are two changes take place during this reaction. The first change is that breaking of bonds between carbon and bromine, and the second change is that formation of new bond between carbon and nucleophile, and both these changes take place simultaneously. And this SN2 reaction mechanism, we should represent it as follows, or we can write it as follows. This is methyl bromide, and this is a nucleophile OH minus, which attack this carbon from backside of Br, and this Br is leave from the carbon after complete breaking of carbon bromine bond, and hence it is known as leaving group. First we need OH minus, that is nucleophile attack on backside, attack from backside to this carbon. It goes to transition state, and in this transition state both OH minus and Br minus carry half negative charges, and it forms penta-coordinated carbon, in which carbon attach 5 groups or atoms. Here this OH minus carry half negative charge, and this Br minus also carry half negative charge, and it is called as transition state. or TS. Here, the breaking of this carbon bromine bond and formation of new carbon OH bond is take place simultaneously. After completely breaking of this carbon Br bond, there is formation of new bond take place between carbon and OH, as like this. And here this Br minus is detached from this carbon as leaving group. Now we see how this mechanism take place, or silent features of SN2 reaction mechanism. The first silent feature is that this is a single step reaction mechanism take place, or that take place simultaneous bond breaking and bond formation. Here in this reaction mechanism, the nucleophile OH minus attacks from backside of Br. This is due to that here Br is a bulkier group and there is no extra space in front of Br. There is no available of extra space in front of Br for the attack of OH minus. Hence it select the backside attack from Br minus. The nucleophile attacks the carbon undergoing substitution to form opposite side that of leaving group, that is Br minus. Here Br minus is a leaving group. This avoid a steric repulsion and electrostatic repulsion between incoming nucleophile and leaving group, because I already told that there is no extra space for the attack of OH minus in front of Br minus, because Br is a bulkier group and due to the bulkier nature of Br, both OH minus and Br are bulkier and both repel each other. Both groups or both nucleophile and Br minus repel each other and electrostatic repulsion take place between both groups. Hence OH minus select the backside attack from Br to the carbon of methyl bromide. When it attack on this carbon, then the bond formation take place this OH minus and carbon, and simultaneously the old bond between carbon and bromine breaking take place and it goes to the transition state. This is a transition state. Now in the transition state, nucleophile and leaving group are bonded to carbon atom with partial bonds. Here these partial bonds are denoted by dotted lines and they have a half partial negative charges. It indicates that this OH minus bond newly formed and this carbon Br bond newly break. Now we go to the next feature, is that the transition state contains pentacoordinate carbon. I already told that there a carbon having a penta coordinate here this transition state have a penta coordinate because this carbon having a 5 bonds. These 3 carbon hydrogen bonds and the one bond between carbon and OH and one bond between carbon and bromine. 1 2 3 4 5 means there are 5 bonds, and hence carbon called as a pentacoordinate carbon, in which 3 sigma bonds are present in one plane, and due to this they have a bond angle 120 degree, and 2 partial covalent bonds along the line perpendicular to this plane. Here these 3 sigma bonds, this sigma and this sigma bond, these 3 sigma bonds are lie in a same plane and they forms bond angle 120. This bond angle is about 120 degree, but these 2 bonds are perpendicular to the plane. If we draw the line in between that plane, then these bonds, both bonds are perpendicular to the plane. Consider this is a single plane and these 3 sigma bonds are present in this plane, and when we will draw the line, then one bond is above the plane and other bond is below the plane, means they both bonds are perpendicular to the plane. When SN2 reaction is brought about a chiral carbon, means the substrate, here the substrate is methyl bromide. Consider that substrate is optically active substrate. Then the product which having a opposite configuration compared to that of substrate, and here this product in this reaction form, it has a opposite configuration, means here inversion of configuration take place, 100% inversion of configuration take place. Here all these hydrogens are at the opposite side of Br, means left side of the Br, but when nucleophile attack from backside of Br, then the inversion of configuration of this substrate take place, means all bonds becomes inward as shown in product. This is like a flipping of umbrella. When there is a cyclone and we open the umbrella, and that umbrella flip reverse, like that flipping of umbrella, here the product formed during SN2 reaction mechanism, that is inverse of substrate. The inversion of configuration is result of the backside attack of nucleophile, and here this inversion of configuration is due to the backside attack of nucleophile OH minus. If this nucleophile attack in front of Br minus, then the retention of configuration should be found. But here this attack from backside of backside of Br minus, hence inversion of configuration take place, and this inversion of configuration is called as Walden inversion. This inversion of configuration is known as Walden inversion of configuration.